A group of Liberation War veterans has approached the Constitutional Court challenging President Emmerson Mnangagwa over what they describe as his failure to fulfill constitutional obligations imposed on him by the country's supreme law. Sarabida mashoko buda pangwa na chinkonzi War veterans have taken Mnangagwa head on over the Amendment Bill number 3 that was subscribed by like on the bill icon. Timna munamubda nyoka mchinzi. The applicants Ruben Zulu, Godfrey Gurira, Shorai Nyamangodo, Joseph Chiangari, Gigimo, Knowledge Ndia, and Joseph Chungua argue that Mnangagwa, together with the Attorney General of Virginia Mabiza, has failed to uphold, defend, and respect the Constitution of Zimbabwe. In their court papers, the war veterans accused Mnangagwa of presiding over a cabinet meeting that deliberated on Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3, which, among other proposed changes, seeks to extend presidential term limits from 5 to 7 years. The applicants contend that by entertaining and advancing such proposals, the president breached specific constitutional provisions governing his conduct in office. They cite Section 90 of the Constitution, which obliges the president to uphold, defend, obey, and respect the Constitution as the supreme law of the nation and ensure that its provisions are faithfully observed. The war veterans further rely on Section 92B, which requires the president to recognize and respect the ideals of the values of liberation struggle, as well as Section 196(2), which compels public officers to avoid any conflict between their personal interest and their public or official duties. In their application, they argue that the president's actions are inconsistent with these constitutional obligations and seek relief from the Constitutional Court. Domashukano muda nyoko pangwa ine mako veterans ataka mtukamiri wenyika head on. Ndakuva section medu za funguto emo tulipa msiripe chitkwich. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell.